How can we make this boat a safer boat? We have a Nauticat 38 motorsailor, and that is a fantastic boat. It's only two things that I don't like with this boat. First thing is the elevated aft deck that I think is unsecure in heavy weather. The other thing is the sliding doors on the side. I don't feel safe working on the aft deck, and I don't like climbing outside the boat in heavy weather. So what can we do? I think I have found a solution. Follow me and please give your comments on this down below. I really appreciate your comments on this one. Have a look at this. This is our boat with the sails that she has today. I have rigged her so that I can do all the sail handling from the aft deck. This works perfect in nice weather, but in heavy weather I don't like working on the aft deck. Then I want to stay inside in the pilot house. So now I think, how can I operate the sails from the inside of the pilot house? Let's start with the mizzen. I can take a reef in the mizzen before I go in. And if the sheet is going from the aft deck to a position just outside the sliding door, then I can open the door and adjust this line. That should work, don't you think? The sheet to the mizzen is actually going here and on the side, and the red line is ending up there. And then I have looked at the foresail. In heavy weather I want to furl in the genoa completely and roll out a smaller self-tacking jib. If this is self-tacking, I can have the sheet to a winch just outside the sliding door. Then I can open the door and operate this sheet as well from the inside of the pilot house. Then the mainsail remains. I don't use the mainsail often, and in heavy weather it might be okay to use just the jib and the mizzen. What do you think? But it might be possible to put in two reefs in the main and then get the sheet from this one as well to outside of the door. That will be the red line on the drawing. So in heavy weather I will have the following sails. No genoa, this will be completely furled in. Then I will have a self-tacking jib. This is the yellow sail. Two reefs in the main, that is the red sail. One reef in the mizzen, that is the purple sail. If all the sheets of all these sails can be operated from just outside the door, and I also can adjust the area of the jib from that same position, then I would not need to leave the pilot house. What do you think about this solution? Do you think it will work? Do you think it will be worth the money? Have you seen someone rig the sails in this way before? I would love to read your comments and to get inspiration on how to proceed this project. Thanks a lot in advance. Yeah, and one more thing. I'm also thinking about the wind vane for self-steering, but that will be a later project. Did you like this video? Please subscribe to get more content like this.